Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to English Grammar online class. Yes, today is a grammar class and we were doing noun, isn't it? So before I start my class, I would request all of you to listen what I'm telling you and be attentive. And last time we did up to page 31 and 30 and 31. 31 I gave you to do by yourself to see the pictures and write down according to that. Anyway, before I start the class today, let me tell you something and ask you one question. Children, do you like to go for picnic? Have you all been to the picnic? Yes? Actually, see, going to a picnic is a great fun, isn't it? Especially when you go with your family, it's more, you spend more quality time, isn't it, with your family. And picnic means what? Picnic means lot of fun, isn't it? You either go for a picnic. Why you go picnic? For some entertainment, refreshment. And normally we go for a picnic which is little far from our house, isn't it? It can be a zoo, a farmhouse, or some garden or near the seaside or anything like that, isn't it? I think you all of you like to go picnic, but due to this pandemic, COVID, it's all stopped. Normally you all go for picnic during the winters, isn't it, children? Okay, but keeping in mind, when we go to picnic, we have a lot of fun, we play games, and we have delicious snacks and foods over there. Also, arrangement is there. So, today is a topic we are going to find out the things which we carry when we go for picnic. So the objects which we carry, those are things, and that is a part of noun. It's clear to you? So in page 32, please follow, student. Page 32. Got it? Now here are many pictures. Here are many pictures. See, just follow plates, chair, then helicopter, fruits, clock, mat, bat, table, books, and this is tap, chocolate, fan, camera, lock and key, basket, table lamp, glasses, bed, radio, music system, clock, spoon, then this is tent, ball, kettle, and this is caps. So here are the things we got to select which things we can carry when we go for a picnic, and these are nouns. So you have to go for a picnic tomorrow. Circle the names of the things you would like to take along. So when you go for a picnic, what you would like to take along. So here you see plate, chair, helicopter, fruits and clock. So from here we will choose, circle the plates and fruits. Plates and fruits. Second one. Here is tap. And this is sandwich, table, bat and mat. So in this row, which are the things we can carry for picnic? You can say we can carry sandwich, that is snacks, bat we can play, and mat which we can lay out and sit on the ground. The next is chocolate, fan, camera, lock and basket. From this row, we can take which one? Chocolate, which we can enjoy. Camera, yes, surely camera. Why? Then we can click photos. If we take camera, we can click photos. So circle this. And basket, to carry things. Also basket. Next, table lamp, glasses, bed, music, clock. So we do carry glasses, but here the glasses shapes are different. So, and we carry radio, yes, to hear song. Now we circle spoon. Spoon is there. Tent, no. We take ball to play. Kettle, no. We carry caps, yes. Circle it. We put on and we play. Got it? So this was the page 32 where we got to circle the things. We name of the things which we carry along with us when we go for a picnic. Now the next page. Here is a picture. See, there is a picnic party going on. Now here a sentence. Please listen and follow. I'm reading out. You follow, and if you have pencil, you can write it down, or otherwise I'll be sending the snapshot children where you can see and write it down. After I complete this, I will send you again the worksheet, and let me tell you, before your exams, unit test is starting most probably coming month. But before that, 5 marks short demo test I will be taking in your grammar through Google Form, so that you can have an idea how to do it. I'll mention the date. I'll give you the timings in which you can do. No need to worry. It will be on based of the unit test syllabus. It's clear to you? Now exercise M, page 33. In the help box, all the words are given. We got to children select the right answer and write it down on the blank place. Is clear to you? Now use the words in the help box to complete the sentences. Number 1. We eat cheese dash on a picnic. Cheese what? It will be sandwiches. Cheese sandwiches. Number 1 answer is sandwiches. Number 2. We sit on a dash. All the pictures I've shown you, know what were things you carry for picnic. So I hope you remember, and that thing you can choose from here. We sit on a dash. When you go for a picnic, we use mat. So we sit on a mat. Number 3. We play with dash and dash. 2 pictures were there. Yeah. We play with bat and ball. Number 3. We play with bat and ball. Number 4. We eat in dash. We eat in what? In plates. Number 4. We eat in plates. Number 5. We drink water in glasses. We drink water in glasses. We take pictures. Number 6. We take pictures with a what? Be careful here. No mobile is mentioned. It's mentioned camera. So you got to write camera. Don't you ever write over there mobile. Mobile is actually for phoning. And for clicking pictures, we always use a camera. 7. We eat food with a spoon. We use spoon to eat a food. So, we eat with a spoon. Number 7 is spoon. Number 8. Mummy gives us fruits to eat. It will be fruits to eat. Number 9. I wear a dash when it is sunny. So when it's sunny, you put on a what? Cap. Normally when the school remains open, most of you in summertime when you go home, Mommy puts cap on your head, isn't it? And you wear cap also to protect your head from the heat. Yes. Number 10. We carry things in a dash. It will be a basket. We carry things in a dash. It's a basket. 11. We listen to music on a dash. It will be radio. We listen to a music on a radio. Number 12. We play with our pet dog. We play with a pet dog. It's clear to you? So, today we have completed nouns chapter up to page 33 completed. Snapshots I will be giving. Please write it down in your books. Okay, students? So, noun chapter all done. And after that, I will be giving the worksheets to do it. Clear to you all? Okay. Then take care. We shall meet on the next class. Till then, bye.